This right here, these are our breaching tools. This is just a small selection of what we've got. This is our newest one. It's called the KBT. It's actually considered a ballistic tool. And there's a piece of steel inside here that shoots out really fast. It's like 8 inches. So pull down, set it up by the door, you pull the trigger, and that shoots that piece of metal through that locking mechanism. Kind of like Rambo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a night vision mount. So
You attach the goggles to that?
yeah, yeah, we have night vision goggles. That's my vest down there. Yeah. So like. It's like a real small steel door before, kind of wedge it in there, and you'll have someone hit the hammer, so it kind of.
Oh, okay,
and
gotcha.
you can pull it out. This is what we use. It's got chemical agents we can load in here, like OC and CS gas. The best way I can describe it is you can't open your eyes. It's like they want to close, and it affects your breathing really bad. It's an irritant, but works really well.
If you run into a wall and you would
Load it, that's how you would load it. Look through this optic.
like that.
Hold something like that.
So does it stop the bullets as well?
Yeah, so that will stop. Thank you guys for
Yeah,
coming.
thank you for your time. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Wonderful.
The fastest I've had it is 140. But at 140, there's so much wind noise from the light bar, the mirrors, so much noise, you can't hear the radio. So I have to turn this one on because it's right here, and I put an earpiece in. But yeah, at about 140, you can't hear anything.
Can I press the gas one? Yeah.
Unfortunately, this one's electrical. It's very mechanical sound, yeah, but it's the throttle. It's not a rod. It's all computer. And I don't like the transmission. I don't like because let's say I have to turn around really really fast. If I go from drive to reverse really quick and hit the gas,
It will take it.
Okay, maybe I'll. Okay, now. Absolutely.
Is this the laptop?
Yes. So we do all of our work. Nice meeting you. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Wow. Thank you.
Actually,